know what's worse? You believed them. You kept giving them chances, over and over, because you thought maybe this time would be different. Maybe this time, they'd finally see your worth. They didn't. And that's what broke you, wasn't it? Not the pain itself, but the realization that the people you'd have taken a bullet for were the ones holding the gun. You started to question yourself. You started thinking maybe you were the problem. But listen to me. You were never weak. You were healing. And healing makes you softer before it makes you stronger. Because there's a difference between being kind and being a doormat. Because in the end, it's not the ones who hurt you that win. It's the one who walked through the fire and didn't come out burning.